pandemic outbreaks, natural fiber ionizers can now become our new ionizers. They can minimize aerosols in a poorly ventilated space. Here's how they work. First, the ionizers generate negative ions into the air. This charges up aerosols, causing them to stick to surfaces. Now that the particles are stuck, you can easily remove the viruses by cleaning the area regularly. But that's not all. Natural fiber ionizers generate large amounts of negative ions, just like forests and the seaside. They produce negligible ozone and are energy efficient. Natural fiber ionizers also come in a variety of designs. Plant-based ionizers also have the same benefits. Another option is to use conventional ionizers. Do check that the machine is energy efficient and produces safe levels of ozone. In addition to the current guidelines and practices, measures such as air ionizers can lower the risk of viruses being transmitted. The hope is that the gaps in one method will be covered by the strength of others and form a multi-layered defense. This helps us to stay better prepared for COVID-19 and future pandemics.